What's up, everybody? Really don't feel like talking. I'm upset. Well, I had a few things happen. Technical technology. I had this e-machine that I was working on, and sort of gave me some issues. I did a reboot on it, and now I'm adding this second hard drive in there because it's got some stuff in there on the hard drive, and I want to back it up and format it so there'll be some extra space on there. But I had to add in a sound card because I couldn't get the driver to pick up the sound card that was on the motherboard. So it's a good thing I had one laying around. So it's back running. Got the internet back running on it. Got the display running on it. It's doing a scan right now for this hard drive. I think I put another RAM in there, another memory, so that it boosts up the memory. But I hadn't seen it in the diagram, so I don't know. Just checking it out. Anyway, this is just what I'm going through as the technician. Not the designer right now, not the personal trainer, not the tutor, the technician right now, as you can see. Anyway, so I got the radio playing, and I got Alex Cross just went off, watching it streaming while this right here is going on. So the only thing that's gonna keep me going is if I keep myself going. So I had a friend tell me today that she just didn't feel like doing it. She just felt like it wasn't gonna be worth it. Can you understand? I feel like that. This thing look like it ain't going nowhere. It's picking up, but it just ain't there, you know. I mean, this is what I like to do, but I mean, I'm running into like stumbling blocks and hold-ups and all this stuff. I'm talking about I got like I don't know. Then I got some more stuff to do this week on designs, flyers, and stuff like that. So I'm the dedicated person in the flyers now. I see that much. So the work will be there. So then I'm waiting on this other computer repair. And that's what I'm saying. It just seems like it ain't going nowhere. Nobody want to do this. Nobody want to pay that. Then it's the cheapest price. I don't know. If you're gonna hire nobody down, that's like chasing nobody. Anyway. I don't know. That's what I'm talking about, you know. This is a day with JP. Like this right here is 100%. Then there's something else I gotta do. I gotta check these hard drives, all these hard drives, I gotta check those. I gotta file out these papers, I gotta organize the system. So much stuff to do. I'm telling you, in January, most definitely, I gotta make some moves. December, I gotta make some moves. Like I said, December, so I am making some moves. So Friday, Thursday, August, and then April again, I gotta be gonna make some moves. So I don't know, Slick and Slim, but 6 years, I'm finna jump out there. I'm finna jump out there. Leave it all behind. Come back to visit the ghost town. I come back to visit. Anyhow, I know the camera probably gonna go out because I ain't got that much room there. I got to upgrade my camera too. This here is just one of them things that's just like, yeah. I got a lot of stuff to do for one person. One person doing all of this. Okay. I can do it. I can handle it. I can do it. I can handle it. The work, the small parts of the work, the easy part, the getting all of that together. 4 departments plus 3 sub-departments. Still a lot of stuff to do. But once I get it organized, though, I should have a bit of direction. Get somebody to help advertise. Get somebody to help in human resources. Get somebody to help in all this stuff. Eventually it'll all come together and it'll all work together. Okay. So this was done. So I'm gonna go ahead and format this one. It's already got it. I hate to, but got to. Clean that one off. That's the Samsung. I ain't got nothing on it. Nah. So that's called formatting. I'm formatting this. This device is what I'm formatting. This piece of hardware. This is what I am formatting. Formatting means to erase. So if I'm erasing it, I'm formatting everything on this disk. And then I gotta check this disk. And then I gotta check this disc and this disc. By the time I get this thing finished, it's gonna be like, oh man, you did all this for me, man. You shouldn't have. Merry Christmas. Cause I'm tired. I instead of looking at that computer there too, and it's just like weird. About to go feed my face again with something. It don't even matter, it's just something. If I could describe myself, I'm setting this timer down this thing. I'm at 10 minutes. If I could describe myself, I would say quiet, calm, cool, tired, aggravated, not worried, secure. I don't know, all that stuff. But it's just me tired, working on computers, electronics, gadgets, anything technological, advanced.